examination for passing year 10. Now you are in year 11. Let me introduce myself. My name is Santi Setiasri Rejeki. You can call me Miss Santi. And I'm gonna be your chemistry teacher for these 2 semesters. I hope that we can cooperate well for your chemistry learning so that you can understand the lesson of chemistry better. Thank you, and let's start our first chemistry lesson.
Good morning, students. Thank you for joining our chemistry class today. Our first topic today is Chapter 1, Composition of Matter and Atomic Structure. Matter is anything takes up space and has mass. According to the distance between the particle, matter are classified into 4. They are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. So, in chemistry, we are going to learn about the matter and the interactions of its particle. The atmosphere we live in is a mixture of gas. Gas takes the container shape. Kinetic theory is used to explain the physical properties of gas. The first theory is gas particles move in a rapid random motion because the distance of particle is very far. Second, the attraction and also the repulsion of gas particle is negligible because there is a far distance between one another. Third, the particles of gas are widely spaced. So, if we compare the volume of gas with the total volume of the particle, it will be negligible. Fourth theory is the particle gas, it has kinetic energy equal to half mv square, which m is mass and v is velocity. And fifth theory is if the kinetic energy of particle increase, so it means temperature will increase. Then 6, when particles collide, they will not lose speed or slow down. So, by looking at the kinetic theory of gas, the physical properties of gas are, it takes the shape of the container. It has low density, so it can be compressed. And it will diffuse fast with other gases. And it also produces pressure. The physical properties of solids are the distance between one particle with another particle is very near. So, the attraction forces between one particle with another particle is very strong. But for liquid, the distance between one particle with another particle is near. So, the forces of attraction between particles is strong. Phase change is physical reversible process. So, when solid particle heated, the particle energy, which is kinetic energy, increase. So, solid particle overcome their attractive forces and escape from their fixed position. And then, solid will melt and particle move freely in liquid volume. The smallest part of matter is atom. So, matter can be classified into 2 types. The first one is pure substance, the second one is mixture. Pure substance is divided into 2 types. The first one, element, which cannot be separated by any chemical means, and also second, compounds, which consist of some elements that chemically combine in fixed proportion. Mixtures, they are divided into 2 types. They are heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Atom consists of 2 parts. They are nucleus and electron. Nucleus contain two subparticles. They are proton and neutron. The positive charged subparticle is proton. The neutral charged subparticle is neutron. And the negative charge of subparticle is electron. Nucleus cover 99.9% of the mass of atom. There are two important features of an atom. The first one is atomic number. Atomic number expresses the number of proton. And the second is mass number. Mass number is how heavy an atom is. Now, to get the mass number, you just need to add atomic number with neutron. So, if proton number is equal to electron number, so it will be neutral atom. But if there are more electrons than proton number, it means that it is negative ion. But if there are less electron than proton, it means that it is positive ion. Take a look at an example here. The atomic number of phosphorus atom is 15. So it means that the proton number of phosphorus atom is 15. And then the mass number of phosphorus atom is 31. So to get the neutron number, you need to subtract mass number with the number of proton. So 31 minus 15, so you will get 16 neutrons. Every atoms of given element have same number of proton, but they have different number of neutron. That's what we call with isotope. The example of isotope here is oxygen. There are oxygen that the mass number is 16, 17, and 18. So they are called as isotope. The actual mass of an atom is very small, so it will be more comfortable to describe the mass of an atom by comparing its mass with another atom. The standard atom used to measure the mass of atom is atom carbon 12. So, the relative atomic mass of atom is mass of an atom comparing to the mass of atom carbon 12. Relative atomic mass can be calculated from two things. They are mass number of isotopes and abundance of isotope. Take a look at an example here, chlorine. Chlorine consists of two isotopes. They are chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. So, you can calculate the relative atomic mass of chlorine by multiply the abundance of chlorine 35 with the relative atomic mass of chlorine 35 plus the abundance of isotope chlorine 37 multiply the relative atomic mass of chlorine 37, so that you will get the atomic relative of chlorine 35.5. When atom does not have equal number of proton and electron, it will be ions. Negative ions, it means that atoms gains more electron. And positive ions means atoms lose one or more electron. So, we can calculate electron number of ions by subtracting the number of proton with the ion charge. Mass spectrometer is used to determine relative molecular mass and molecular structure of complex organic molecule. There are 4 steps in mass spectrometry. The first one is vaporization of sample in probe. Second, ionization of vaporized sample by using electron beam. Third, acceleration and separation of resulting ion based on their mass to charge ratio in magnetic field. Fourth, detection by using detector. So, this is the end of our video, and you may continue to do your workbook chapter 1. And if you have any question related to this lesson, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.